What's up, everyone? Fans of Houston, aka QFC, and I just put up this Palco. As you can see, the canopy isn't original, neither is the downrod, as the downrod is way too skinny to be on this fan. The canopy comes from the Kodak. Yeah, I mean, I don't really have much to say about this fan. I've already said. I believe it's from 1984. I have it on a 3-way knob switch on this swag kit right here. Nice, beautiful can blades. It's not the tight weave, but I still love it. Painted copper. You can see it's a vintage cast iron motor. Uses about a 14 degree blade pitch. Yeah, so I just decided to go ahead and throw this up real quick. Go ahead and plug it in. I don't know why I didn't do that earlier. But yeah, it's a really beautiful fan. It's in great condition. I've got this fan from another fan collector, along with one of those Lascos and original. So I'll go ahead and put this on low speed. It's a very, very gorgeous fan. The light kit actually isn't wired. You could wire it, but I only have 2 wires on this swag kit, and I don't feel like fishing another one. Yeah, I don't feel like fishing another one. I got the little battery screen. My apologies. Very nice aesthetic glow. Medium. There goes medium. I don't know what that noise is. It doesn't really have a bearing noise to it. Oh, it's this way because of how skinny the downrod is. Okay, maybe I misjudged medium from my older videos. It does look slower on camera, but it is faster in person. It's more of a functional low than a medium. And the low speed on this controller is more of an aesthetic low, so this control is really low, low, high. And that goes with any fan I've put this control on. I have another control, but it doesn't work on low, so I just get variable speed controls. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on high now. Sorry. Does have a bit of a wobble to it. Definitely a good fan, great fan. Yeah, this thing is pretty fast. So I'll go ahead and shut it off. Well, actually, I'll stay here for a little more. It feels good. I feel like this is a fan you'd see in a vintage ice cream shop or something. I don't know why it gives me that vibe. Maybe because this is so simplified. But I don't know, that's what makes it nice in my opinion. It doesn't really overdo it. The design is really just the brackets is just literally three lines. And then it's a rectangular blade. But I really like that. It's really nice. I usually don't do spin downs, but it's just the beauty of this fan. This is pretty much one of my favorite fans in my collection. It's really nice. The globe may not be permanent. I actually liked it better than I expected on here. It looks good, but it's probably not going to be permanent because I'm more of a floral globe fan. It's just, these are what I have, these generic glass ones. All right, but thank you all for watching.